something simple from the start, pair a four-door, affordable compact sedan designed for everyday usability with the engine and handling prowess of a hot hatchback. Volkswagen first deployed this formula in 1984 when it created the first Jetta GLI, and the 2019 Jetta GLI unveiled today proves the old recipe still has a kick. Redesigned with American drivers in mind, the new GLI has more power, more technology and more handling prowess than its predecessor, in a package that's within reach of the compact sedan market. While some automakers have either made their enthusiast offerings more expensive or eliminated them entirely, Volkswagen knew some car owners need a bit of fun from their vehicles. Start with the engine. The 2019 GLI borrows the GTI's 2.0-litre turbocharged TSI engine, good for 228 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque on premium fuel, an increase of 18 horsepower and 41 pound-feet from the previous GLI. That power gets to the road through a choice of either a 6-speed manual or an advanced 7-speed DSG dual-clutch automatic transmission, a type of transmission usually reserved for high-end performance vehicles. To keep the 18-inch wheels planted, the GLI uses a strut front suspension and a new multi-link independent rear suspension. The front brakes are shared with the Golf R, while the rears are upgraded from the regular Jetta. And the GLI also employs the VAQ torque sensing limited slip differential, a key part of the GTI performance package that helps to mitigate understeer while powering through corners. Over the past 3 decades, the GLI models have typically played down the sporting capabilities on the outside. For the 2019 edition, Volkswagen designers turned the wick up a bit, beginning with a 0.6-inch drop in ride height. From the red GTI-themed line in the grille to the red brake calipers and integrated spoiler, fin diffuser and dual-chrome exhaust tips, the GLI has more signs of the performance under the metal, but in a restrained, timeless way that's more grown-up enthusiast than boy racer. The GLI isn't just more powerful than the regular Jetta. It's also more capable under full throttle thanks to a full suite of performance upgrades. The GLI rides on a new suspension setup that's sportier independent at all 4 corners. It includes a strut-type setup in the front and a multi-link layout to the rear. It also features an electronically controlled, torque-sensing limited slip differential that helps to eliminate understeer. Not only it borrows from the Golf GTI, but it also takes some features from the range-topping Golf R, like the brakes. The sedan features the 13.4-inch, vented front discs which help shorten braking distance, increasing safety during spirited driving. The standard Jetta is already a well-equipped sedan for this segment, but just like the GTI, the GLI comes with extra features, including LED lights, a 10-color ambient lighting system, dual-zone climatronic, front assist, blind spot monitor, and rear traffic alert. It also includes Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and MirrorLink. The GLI badge also enables you access to various premium-specific options, like the cool Volkswagen digital cockpit with unique GLI graphics, a 400-watt audio system, and a panoramic sunroof. As good as a Golf GTI gets, but with all the benefits of a more modern interior.
for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Subscribe to Auto TV.